Maruti Suzuki had launched the S-Cross crossover in the country in 2015. It was the first product to be sold via NEXA premium dealership network. Despite multiple marketing campaigns and regular updates, the Maruti S-Cross failed to generate volumes for the Indo-Japanese automaker. Since 2015, Maruti Suzuki has delivered over 1.65 lakh S-Cross crossovers in the market, recording an average of around 2,000 units per month. On the flip side, Hyundai has sold about 7 lakh Cretas with an average of over 8,000 units per month. A new media report claims that Maruti Suzuki has decided to discontinue the S-Cross from the Indian market. Maruti Suzuki and Toyota joint venture is working on a new mid-sized SUV, which will replace the aging S-Cross. Suzuki has already introduced the new Gen S-Cross in select international markets. The new SUV, codenamed YFG, will be positioned above the Brezza and could replace the S-Cross. According to a new report, Maruti's new SUV could debut this festive season. It would be manufactured at Toyota's Bidadi plant, alongside the D22, which is expected to be called the High Rider. Both SUVs are said to be based on the localized version of Toyota's TNGAB platform. The biggest differentiating factor between these SUVs and the Hyundai Creta would be their self-charging strong hybrid powertrain. There has been no official word from Maruti Suzuki regarding its plans for the S-Cross. But Maruti won't like two cars of its own, the S-Cross and YFG, competing the same segment. Will the new YFG will be christened all new S-Cross for India? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching.